welcome back to another Figure Junkies review. Up today we've got the Texas Chainsaw Massacre Leatherface figure from, of course, Neca. If this is your first time finding us, then please click the subscribe button. Click the bell also, and you'll be notified every time we upload a new review or new video. So let's get to this one then. This is the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. This is Leatherface. It's the figure from Neca. It is a figure that I have been after for so long, but I've just never got round to getting it. Finally got it. And I cannot wait to get this out. First of all, let's look at the box. Great box. Who will survive and what will be left of them? Picture of Leatherface on the front. Looking good. If we turn it, you can see the side. And on the back is pretty much what comes in the box. With the accessories, the other head, the chainsaw, of course the figure. So that's the box. Does come with a window. So let's open it up. Wow. Man, this figure is so good. Seriously, so good. Picture of Leatherface. That just looks like a scene from the film, don't it? They've done him so good. So you can see exactly what you get in the box there. Right, I can't wait any longer. Let's get it out. So here he is out of the box. I've been waiting for this for so long. Look at him. This is so good. So just a quick rundown of what you get in the box. As you can see there, you get the figure, obviously. You get a spare head. You get the chainsaw, the hammer, a knife, meat cleaver, and the hook. So all that's missing really is a couple of victims. Wow, he's looking good. Right, let's get into some more detail, and we're going to start off with the accessories. So accessories, let's kickstart with this knife. I'm not sure what this little bit is hanging off. Looks like a bit of like a bit of string or something that goes around it. Okay, we've got a meat cleaver. Good looking meat cleaver. That would have looked good with maybe a bit of blood on there. But that's good. We've got the hook, which of course he hangs his second victim on. Or the second victim we see in the film. Got the blood at the end of it. Great paint job there. So that would just be up in the air. That's good. We've got the hammer. Now I know it's Texas Chainsaw Massacre, but for me, I'm sure he kills more victims with this hammer than the actual chainsaw. Absolutely smashes them with it. Again, good hammer, but once again I would have liked maybe a bit of blood on there. That would have been nice. So that's the hammer. The world famous chainsaw. There we go, that's more like it. Blood splatter. Loads of blood on the actual chainsaw. That's what we like to see. That's a good chainsaw. Paint job on it is brilliant. Yeah, they've done the business with that. Brilliant. So this is the other head you get with it, which it has on later on in the film when they're around the table. Wow, look at the eyes even through there. Amazing. Got an ear there. Or is that a missing ear? Brilliant, the detail in that is brilliant. So that's the accessories you get with it. Accessory wise, can't really fault it. Like I said, maybe a bit more blood. If we had a bit of blood on the knife, bit of blood splatter on the meat cleaver and the hammer, then I think it would have just made them accessories that bit better. But let's get to the figure. Now this is amazing. There he is, old Leatherface. This is a great looking figure. I love the creases that they've put in his shirt as well. The detail in that. The paint job on the arms. Full mud. Dirt. He looks really good. Obviously the blood splatter in the apron, exactly what you see in the film. That is quality. Let's get a closer look then. So the mask, wow, feels good. That is so good. You can see the eyes in there. Oh, he does look good. There you go, a little bit closer. That blood looks good. From behind, he's even got the creases up the shirt there. So that's really good. The apron tied round. I'm sure you can take that off, the apron. I have to say I can't remember what colour or what his trousers looked like in the film. But overall, that is a great looking Leatherface. Man, I've got to get him into some poses. Let's do it. So there are some great poses that you can get him in. This is my favourite though. You've got to have the chainsaw in hand. You've got to have this head on for me. The apron as well. Just looks absolutely amazing. If you haven't got your hands on this yet, do go and get it. I waited a long time to get this. I just never got round to getting it. And I'm so glad I have it in my collection now. This is brilliant. So score wise, I'm going to give it a 7. The only thing that it lost maybe half a point on was the blood splatter on some of the weapons, I think. Like I said earlier, I would have liked to have seen a bit dirtier, a bit more bloodier. I'll tell you what I would like to see with this. I would love to see Neca do an accessory pack for this. That would be amazing. And some of the other characters as well, you know. He needs some victims. That would be brilliant. Anyway, so that's our review of the Neca Leatherface Texas Chainsaw Massacre figure. If you're still here at the end, please click subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment, let us know what you think as well, and leave a like so we can get out them ratings. Till next time, take care.